Hello everybody. In this video, we will run a descriptive analysis in SPSS using a real dataset. I'll guide you through each step from selecting options to interpreting the output. Let's begin. First, with my dataset open in SPSS, I go to the top menu and click Analyze. From the drop-down, I select Descriptive Statistics, then Descriptives. A window appears. I select all 8 variables, P1 to P8, and move them into the Variables box using the arrow button. Next, I click Options and choose Mean, Standard Deviation, Minimum, and Maximum. These 4 statistics will summarize our data effectively. I click Continue, then OK to run the analysis. The results are now displayed in an output table. Let's interpret them. The N column shows 66 responses for every question, a consistent sample size. The mean column shows average scores between 3.5 and 3.7 on a 5-point scale, indicating overall positive responses. P6 has the highest mean, 3.74, while P4 has the lowest, 3.52. Now, the standard deviation column reveals how much respondents agreed. A low standard deviation means consensus, a high one means divided opinions. P5 has a very low standard deviation, 0.60, showing strong consensus. In contrast, P1 has a high standard deviation, 1.08, meaning even with a good mean, 3.73, opinions were divided. P4 and P6 also show high standard deviations, indicating these were divisive questions. If you need help with your thesis, dissertation, or report, I offer one-on-one consultations. Contact me. If this was helpful, subscribe for more. Our next video will cover correlation analysis. Thank you for watching.